Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MK Physics. Here I am with my new video, and today we will learn about the difference between concave and convex lens, how these lenses are formed and how the image formation from these lenses will take place, and how these are used in our lives to cure our eye defects and in many instruments like telescope, microscope, and how the image will be formed from these images. So today we will learn how these lenses are formed. So here let's start. So as I have already told you that the concave lens will be of like this type. So this is our concave lens. Concave lens will be formed with like this, and the second is one is our convex lens. The concave lens is our diverging lens and convex lens is our converging lens. So we will learn how these are formed. So first of all we will take a glass slab. This is our glass slab, and the two circles the two circles will be cut like that. This convex and concave lens are made up of a transparent material, then only the refraction will take place. So here we will cut the two circles likewise. This is our first circle like this, and the second circle we will cut from the slab is like this, and this portion is our convex lens. This is our transparent portion, and this is our convex lens and converging lens. And in case of concave lens we will cut two circles likewise. This is our one of the circle, and the second circle will be cut like this, and this this portion of glass will form our concave lens. Concave lens will be formed like this. इसको मैं रेड से हाईलाइट कर देती हूँ. And this portion is our concave lens, which is thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges, and this portion is our convex lens, which is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. And suppose this is a part of two circles, so it will also have the two center of curvature. For one part C1 and for second part it will be C2. Similarly concave lens will also have the two center of curvature, बिकॉज दो सर्कल से कट करके ये बना हुआ है, इसीलिए इनके दो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर होते हैं. एंड नाउ वी विल लर्न सम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स टू डिफाइन द कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. Here are some important points. So here I have made a concave and convex lens. This is our optical center. This the center of the lens is called our optical center, and this is for concave lens, optical center. And the line passing through optical center, this line passing through optical center will called as the principal axis. ये सारी चीज़ें हम मिरर के केस में भी बता चुके हैं. डोंट बी कन्फ्यूज्ड. And I have already told you it will have two center of curvature C1 and C2. Similarly concave lens will also have two center of curvature C1 and C2 on the principal axis. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे ही ऑप्टिकल सेंटर होता है, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पे ही सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर होते हैं. जो फर्स्ट रूल जो हम इमेज फॉर्मेशन के लिए पढ़ने चाह रहे हैं वो हमारा होगा, इट विल ऑल्सो हैव द टू फोकस, बिकॉज रेज कैन दोनों साइड से रेज आ सकती हैं, इसीलिए दोनों ही साइड पर फोकस पॉइंट भी होगा. बिकॉज द रेज कमिंग parallel to the principal axis will meet at a point. That point is called focus. मतलब वो जिस पॉइंट पे मिलती है उस पॉइंट को हमने फोकस का नाम दिया हुआ है. जो फर्स्ट रूल for the image formation by concave and convex lens is this is The ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus after refraction. The ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus after refraction. इस लाइन का मतलब है कि the ray parallel to the principal axis, मतलब कोई भी रे अगर principal axis के parallel आ रही है in case of convex lens, then it will pass through focus after refraction. We have learned the refraction through spherical surfaces कि इससे रेज किस तरह पास होती है अंदर जब मीडियम चेंज होता है तो वो उस मीडियम से क्रॉस करके वापस एयर मीडियम में आती है, तो इट विल पास थ्रू फोकस ओनली. दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट रूल. एंड इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव लेंस में भी यही है. इट इज़ अ डाइवर्जिंग लेंस, सो इट विल डाइवर्ज द रे. द रे पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस will appear to diverge from focus because it is a diverging lens. It will diverge the ray, and when we extend it, then it will appear to diverge from focus only. And now our second case is the ray passing through the optical center will pass undeviate. अब इसका मतलब है कि द रे पास थ्रू ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, कोई भी रे अगर ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होगी तो वो किस तरह पास होगी, इट विल बी अनडेविएट, मतलब इन द सेम डायरेक्शन इट विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव लेंस, इन बोथ द केसेस दीज आर द रूल्स जिसकी हेल्प से हम इमेज फॉर्मेशन को पढ़ेंगे. And our third case is the ray passing through the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after refraction. I have already met the convex and concave lens. This is our optical center and this is our principal axis, line passing through optical center, and two center of curvature C1 and C2, and two focus F1 and F2. So what does our rule say? Suppose a ray is passing through focus and incident on a convex lens, then after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. This is our third rule. In case of concave lens, the ray passing through the focus, these रूल, ये सारे रूल्स हम मिरर के केस में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. एंड जब तक आप इसे खुद से नहीं पढ़ेंगे तब तक आपको ये सारे पॉइंट्स क्लियर नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो ट्राई टू मेक इट योर सेल्फ. द रे पासिंग थ्रू द focus means the ray will appears to pass through focus. In actual it is not passing, but it will appear, and then after refraction it will be parallel to the principal axis. There is also a question for you in the end of the video. Answer and comment me in the comment box. Now we will learn the image formation from a convex lens, and the first case we will go through is the when the object is placed beyond C. In case of convex lens, when an object is placed beyond C, then where will be the image formed? Then the intersection point of two rays after refraction will give up the image. So the ray pass parallel to the principal axis will pass through focus after refraction. We will apply this rule, and we will draw a line, and then it will pass through focus. Likewise it will pass through focus, and the second line will be drawn from optical center, which is our second rule. So the line passing through the optical center will be undeviated like this. So the intersection point is between C and F, and this is the point where our image will be formed. Our image will be formed between C and F when an object is placed beyond C. And what is the nature and size of the image? We will write it down. The position will be between C and F image, and the nature will be real and inverted, and the size will be diminished. साइज विल बी डिमिनिश्ड, मतलब बहुत छोटी इमेज फॉर्म होगी. And we will have the second case when an object is placed at C. When an object is placed at center of curvature, then where will be the image formed? We will draw a line parallel to the principal axis, then after refraction it will pass through focus. You can draw it yourself and it will help you a lot. So it will pass through focus, and I will also give you a link in the bio that how the refraction through spherical surfaces will take place, so that you will understand it properly. So the line passing through the optical center will pass through undeviated. Then these two lines will intersect at beyond C. The intersection point is beyond C, sorry, at C. The image will be formed at C only. Center of curvature, all these cases are similar to concave mirror cases. So the position will be at C, at the same distance, center of curvature, and nature will be real and inverted. The inverted image is formed, and the size will be of the same size. मतलब जिस तरह का ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे अपन सी पे, उसी तरह उसी साइज़ की इमेज भी फॉर्म्ड होगी सी पर ही. सेम साइज़ की इमेज फॉर्म्ड होगी. नाउ वी विल गो थ्रू अवर थर्ड केस. इन थर्ड केस द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन सी एंड एफ. सी एंड एफ पर जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे तो इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड बियॉन्ड सी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ रे डायग्राम. So when an object is placed between C and F, the image will be formed beyond C, opposite to our first case. First case के बिल्कुल opposite है ये. So the position of the image will be beyond C, and nature is real and inverted, and size is enlarged. Means कि हमें थोड़ी बड़ी image form होती हुई दिखाई देगी. जो fourth केस है वो है when an object is placed between optical center एंड फोकस. ऑप्टिकल सेंटर और फोकस के बीच में जब भी हम कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे तो उसकी इमेज कहाँ फॉर्म होगी. सो द रे पैरेलल विल पास थ्रू फोकस. फर्स्ट रे एंड सेकेंड रे विल बी फ्रॉम ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, बट दीज रेज आर नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग here, so we will extend it in opposite direction, and there where they appear to meet will be the image formed. So they meet at this point and the image will be formed here only. Beyond F कहीं भी फॉर्म हो सकती है इमेज. The nature will be virtual and erect. It is a सीधी इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है and virtual इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है, and size will be enlarged. बहुत बड़ी इमेज फॉर्म होगी. Please answer this question from the video. And here are some examples of the convex lens, magnifying glass, cameras, telescope, our eyes, and later on we will learn it in details. Your eye is an also example of our convex lens, and I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and wait for the next.